In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add a quiz to your Google site in 2025. Whether you're a teacher, a business owner, or just someone who wants to make their site more interactive, this step-by-step guide will make the process quick and easy. First, you'll need to create the quiz itself. Head over to Google Forms and start a new form. Click on the Settings gear icon, and under the Quizzes tab, simply toggle on Make this a quiz. This will allow you to assign correct answers and points to each question. From there, start adding your questions, set up multiple choice or short answers, and don't forget to create the answer key so the form can grade responses automatically. Once your quiz is ready, it's time to bring it into your Google site. Open your Google site and go to the page where you'd like the quiz to appear. From the Insert menu, choose Embed. You'll see two options: either paste the quiz link directly, or for a cleaner look, grab the embed code from Google Forms and paste it here. After that, you can resize and position the quiz box so it fits perfectly into your page layout. And that's it. You've successfully added a fully functional quiz to your Google site. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to keep experimenting with Google Sites to make your pages more engaging. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.